So I have a drinking fountain that runs even without no power hooked up to the solenoid. It's kind of confusing. So I disconnected both to the solenoid, also unplugged it, and still it kicks on when I touch the other drinking fountain. Alright, so get the drinking fountain to quit, I actually have to plug it in to get power to make it work. Okay, so I put the old solenoid back on here and plugged them both in. Now when I hit the control, nothing happens, even when I do here. So it has to be the new solenoid that we stuck in there that is causing it to stay on.